What's going on, guys? Me, the thing where you can call me Nicholas. We're back. And we played some more Sons of the Forest version 1.0. New playthrough, you guys know what we're doing. Let's go. Alright. So, we got a new key card, we got a bloody new location. Oh! Open sesame. Oh! You know what's happening here, right? Look, there's someone.
Oh, animation!
Look, come over here.
I've got an animation.
Look at this. Oh! There they are. Oh!
Mr. Puffton.
Look, he's got voice acting! Oh my god!
Did you get that? Wait, did you get that? Who's this guy?
That's the villain.
It's nothing, bro.
No, I didn't get an animation. I just got like, I could walk
I've got
around.
a whole animation. Oh, watch this.
What is that? Puffcorp. Welcome guests to the Hollow Springs soft opening. Phase 1 includes now open Bunker Entertainment. Indulge your senses in our newly open spa. Bunker food where we grow our own produce. And, oh, I couldn't even see what that said. Bunker Luxury, the Puffton's main residence. And where where many parties are held. And Bunker Residential. Oh yeah, these are all the bunkers we're visiting right now. Where our cherished guests can enjoy some time alone.
No, we're not
planned and currently under construction. Bro, this is a new video, man. This is sick. All built based on the solar stuff.
Oh my god.
Enjoy this very special pre-opening celebration. But everything went wrong, obviously. That's pretty sick, though. They added a whole like animation and bloody video. I like this boss, eh? I'm gonna grab a creepy arm.
Oh! Are you dead?
Creepy arm is running out. Oh, I got 2 creepy arms from it. Ow. Bro, he launches you, man. There's another. Ow. Oh. You killed him. Good job, Harry. I'm gonna take his creepy armor. So now I got 4 from both of them. That's pretty good. I'll take that. Man, this place is always so disturbing, bro. Look at this. Jesus. I can still eat the food as well. It's crazy. That is actually crazy.
Edward Puffton. Oh! Who is this?
Who's talking, bro? The next era. What?
He's dead.
Sorry. Let's go before. How many creepy armor do I have actually? 6. Alright, here we go. Oh, it's underwater. Alright. Oh no, not again. That was so muffled, bro. I could barely hear what you were saying.
I know.
Oh!
Oh, what's the game?
Get it? That was dead. Oh! Look at these rib cages. That's not a rib cage. Is it? Yes, it is. What's that music? I think it's just a cage. Okay, I thought that was gonna kill us, bro. But we're fine. Oh.
Babies, I hate this, bro.
Just walk through it, bro. There's no point in fighting. Just run. Fighting, crying, fall. Oh! They're gonna attack me. Oh, what do we got here? Oh, it's just the exit. Oh, nice. Now we got new bunker information. Let's go, bro. Alright, where are we now? Oh, we're right here. Let's go. Right where we left off. We got a whole Calvin's
This is
here.
not where we left off.
Well, yeah, you're right. Okay, do you want to go to where? Entertainment bunker now?
Up to you, bro.
Alright, let's go there. I'll cut guys when we get to it. That dude should get over driving license, trust me. Whoa, you're a good driver. Ma, I'm trying to say no. Oh, look, bro. Jeez, that was a long song. What's next? No! Oh! I flipped it over! I flipped it over! You're on the back. Oh no! Come on, man! Come on, come on! Yes! Alright, the bunker's just up here. What is this, bro? No, don't fall back. Did I just... Ow!
Coconut cherry.
Coconut
Future
cherry,
bomb.
yeah. But they got a fallen radio, that's kind of sick, man. Like, there's heaps on the tracks. Like, there's heaps of, like, different radio stations. It's so cool. Alright, we're here. Oh, it's right here. Alright, there. Here we go. Next cave, what do we got? Oh, next bunker, I should say. Oh. Wow. Alright.
Destruction.
Ooh, okay. Oh, creep. Tim LeBlanc. Oh, there's Timmy.
Hello, universe.
Yeah, right. Interesting. Light mode. Alright, alright. Good stuff. Oh, Harry's gone. Bro, chill, man. That's where we came from. Look at that, it's so bright. Holy crap. Like I'm going to heaven or something. Oh, it's because of the wall. What the... What is that?
Oh, this plane.
Oh,
Look at
Wow.
this guy. Holy hell.
Jesus. That's terrible, man. Did a bit too much stretching. Oh, we can even kick the balls around. That's cool. Oi, how much strength are you on? Like, what number? For your muscles? I can hear.
Oh, right here.
Oh, that was really easy. Got a punching bag. Boom, boom. Fingers. I'm going after I love how they kneel like that, bro. That's so cool. You're on full grip. Nice music. Oh, that's mine. Is that a duck? Yeah. Wow, this is really cool. I like this area. Oh, wow. Something so poetic, man. Like, just about the whole music and all this death, tragedy. It's just, I don't know, it feels really poetic in a way. Poetic, climactic, I don't know, it's just, I don't know how to describe it, man. Just, oh,
But
twins! What is it? Look, there's a whole cave out there.
Do you not see?
What is it?
The twins, bro. Climbing on the bloody...
Really?
On a... Yeah.
Oh,
I'll
right
click it
there!
right
Oh
now.
my god! That's sick.
Oh, behind you.
We got the real twins right.
You see it?
Yeah, that's so cool. That's so cool. That's definitely new. That's a really cool detail. I like that. New, you know.
Where'd he go?
He's gone. He just went up like up top. Let's go up here. Look at this, eh? Oh, nice pool spa. Love it. Wow. Can we go through here? Oh, Harry, there's something here. Oh, we don't have a car. God damn it. Oh my god. That's terrible. Album cover. Yeah, right. By the way, Harry, we need a key card for something back there. That might be a secret. We're gonna have to come back here at one point. So yeah. What they have behind that door? It's pretty interesting.
Well, I got a map of the entire place.
Really?
And it has
Oh,
all like the bunkers. Well, I don't know from all of them, but there's most of them.
It has heaps here.
Oh, I got a key card.
Go back. Maybe we see if we can unlock that thing.
How about this one here? Yeah, I got it.
Right, nice. Oh. That's locked.
Congratulations, Verge. We can't. Whoa.
Oh, we got another bunker, bro. Holy crap. We can't let the soft opening go ahead. Wow. So much printer resin. Oh, I'm full now. I need to print something. Often keep an eye on do you know who GNU is? That's the
Yeah, the enemy.
yeah, it's the enemy. It's that guy. The one that was at the start, the one we saw with the Pufftons, yeah.
Oh, I got the guitar.
Oh, nice. So did I. Yeah. Ding, ding. Alright, now, here we go. Nice. Oh my god. Look at this.
Bro, I'm in here.
Oh, what a shot, bro.
Oh! Oh. Right, still alive.
How did he not die from that? Now he's dead.
Because he has no
Oh,
brain.
look at that. This guy, eh? His brain. Oh, there is a note here as well. Hollow Springs Doris.
Doris, do you have time for a quick drink? Edwin getting these dreams about cubes in the bathroom, really. Oh, well, that's foreshadowing.
There you go. Alright, what do we got here?
Why is it so dark?
Another note. Oh, calculation results. Interesting.
Oh, yep, here we go.
Oh, what the hell's going on over there? Oh my god. And you killed it already. Good job. Alright. Is that a chainsaw? Hell yes! We're getting so much, man. Oh look, DNA.
Ancient texts describe a cube constructed from this material.
Oh, there's the cube. It's the cube.
The cube activates at specific, previously unknown intervals. Recently, our researchers have deciphered its activation cycle and anticipate the activation will amplify the youth-giving properties of the sulfite. Reset your
look at
body
that.
and yourself. Time is running out. Book your place now. Hollow Springs, timeless luxury, timeless youth.
Yeah, right. Okay.
Welcome to Hollow Springs, a safe
bro.
underground
Let's
community
go.
for a select few.
Hey, I'm watching this.
Built by visionary billionaire Edward Puffton,
There he
Hollow
is.
Springs
Look at
offers
him.
unparalleled comfort and luxury. The island
There it
is
is.
rich in a special material known as sulfite. This material contains unique anti-aging
Unzended.
properties. Ancient texts describe a cube constructed from this material. According to these texts, the cube activates at specific
Now, how do we get out of here?
unknown intervals.
Run.
Recently, our researchers have discovered
Oh, here we go. Exit.
Wait, it's another way. Oh, what the hell?
Oh my god.
What the hell?
It's Tim. Look at his arm.
Whoa, look at his hand.
What the hell?
It's not safe here. You're running out of time. It's gonna happen again. You have to leave.
Are you watching this happen?
Yeah, I
Are you
can see
watching
it.
this?
Oh, there he
gone?
goes. He just left.
Where did he go?
He's gone. That was
You're
cool.
running out of time.
That's really interesting. Is he talking about the cycle, maybe?
Yeah, definitely. Oh my god!
Look at how much sulfites here. Wait, there's another way this way. Oh no, we split up. Oh no, I just
Definitely
left
the
back.
same way.
Okay. That's cool, another new cutscene. That's alright. Oh!
Here we go.
Alright, we're out. Nice. Alright, cool stuff.
Easy guy.
Alright.
Right.
What's next, do you reckon? Okay. So there's another maintenance bunker just up ahead. This one's pretty far. Okay.
And there is a way out.
Yeah, jump in. What do we got down here? Is there anything? Or is it just a little... It's probably nothing, eh? Yeah, it's nothing. Wow, what a waste. Hold on, there's something over here.
Oh!
It's dark.
Whoa, what just happened?
What is this? What the... What's that?
Oh!
What the hell?
What you? What is this cave?
What the hell? Oh my god.
What the hell have we found?
Bro, there's no chance.
Oh!
What? What happened?
There's something here. Oh, what have we found? This is way out.
What is this thing? Surely there's something.
What the hell is it? There was another way in there. What the hell was this
What is
cave? It
there?
wasn't even marked.
This must be a secret. There has to be something here. No? There's nothing.
Oh yeah, blueprint.
Oh.
Oh, it's the glider thing.
Oh, the glider's back. That's
The
so
glider
cool.
launcher. No, it's not. It's not.
Oh, it's just a
glider.
launcher. Alright then. Oh, there's something. Oh, there's a raccoon over here. Come here, come here, come here. Look, 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 look.
Yeah, I've seen one. I've seen one. Oh.
Come here, come here. Yes, I got him. Look at that little guy. Yeah, get him. Nice. Alright, there's crosses here as well. Oh, what the hell? Oh my god, you can see his bones. Oh, what's in here? Probably like nothing, eh? Yeah, just rope. I knew it, man. Alright then, guys, I
Oh.
think... What is it?
He just picked up the raccoon meat and ate it.
Got on your cow.
Look, there it is.
Yeah, look at that, eh?
Pretty
Alright then,
rough.
guys. I reckon now's a good time to end the video. Yeah, well, 1.0 is good stuff. We will, obviously we're going to do more in the tomorrow. We'll do some more videos. And, yeah, we'll, catch you guys in the next one. We'll probably visit the next maintenance bunker. Who knows what's going to happen next, guys. Please like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.
Oh!